Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson में कनाती मैन अल अरबियती अल अखबारियती. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. So today we are going to start the new lesson from Quran, that is Yusuf, and we'll study today from verse 1 to 52. Sanabta ul yoma darsan jadidan fil Qurani Yusufu minal ayati wahid ila itnan wa khamsun. So let's start. Auz billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
So the reading will be done first from the verse 1 to 4. So the reading first will be done in Arabic language, then translation will be done in English language. So let's start. Yusuf or Joseph. It is also mentioned in Bible. So we'll study about Joseph or Yusuf according to Quran. Alif Lam Ra. Tilka ayatul kitabil mubin. Inna anzalnahu Qur'anan Arabiyya la'allakum taqilun. Nahnu naqussu alayka ahsanal qasasi bima awhayna ilayka hazal Qur'ana wa in kunta min qablihi laminal ghafilin. Iskala Yusufu li abihi ya abati inni ra'aytu ahada ashara kawkaban wa shamsa wal kamara ra'aytuhum li sajidin. So what does it mean in English? Yusuf or Joseph. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. So these are the symbols or verses of the perspicacious book. We have sent it down as an Arabic Quran in order that ye may learn wisdom. We do relate unto thee the most beautiful stories, in that we reveal to thee this portion of the Quran. Before this, thou too was among those who knew it or not. Behold, Joseph said to his father, O my father, I did see 11 stars and the sun and the moon. I saw them prostrate themselves to me. Now next verse comes, that is from 5 to 14. Kala ya bunayya la taqsus ruyaka ala ikhwatika fayakidu laka kaida inna shaytanana lil insani aduwwum mubin wa kazalika yajtabika rabbuka wa yu'allimuka min tawilil ahaditi wa yutimuni mataho alaika wa ala aliya koba kama atama aha ala abawaika min kablu ibrahima wa ishaq inna rabbaka alimun hakim laqad kana fi yusufa wa ikwatihi aitul lisailin. Iskalau la Yusufu wa akhahu ahabbu illa abina minna wa nahnu usbatun inna abana la fi dalalim mubin. Uqtulau Yusufa avitrahu ardan yakhlu lakum wajhu abikum wa taqaw no memba dihi qawman salihin. Kala ka ilum minhum la taqtullahu Yusufa wa alqahu fi ghayabatil jubbi yaltaqit hubabdus sayyarati in kuntum fa'ilin. Kalau ya abana ma laka la tamanna ala Yusufa wa inna lahu lanasihun arsilhu ma'anna gadan ya yarta wa yal'ab wa inna lahu lahafizun. Qala inni la yahzununi an tazhabu bihi wa akhafu an yakulahuzibu wa antum anhu ghafilun. Kalau la in akala huzibu wa nahnu uzbatun inna izala khasirun. So what does it mean in English? Said the father, my dear little son, relate not thy vision to thy brothers, lest they concoct a plot against thee, for Satan is to man an avowed enemy. Thus will thy Lord choose thee and teach thee the interpretation of stories and events, and perfect his favor to thee and to the posterity of Jacob, even as he perfected it to thy fathers Abraham and Isaac aforetime. For Allah is full of knowledge and wisdom. Verily in Joseph and his brethren are signs or symbols for seekers after truth. They said, truly Joseph and his brother are loved more by our father than we. But we are a goodly body. Really, our father is obviously wandering in his mind. Slay ye Joseph or cast him out to some unknown land, that so the favor of your father may be given to you alone. There will be time enough for you to be righteous after that. Said one of them, slay not Joseph, but if ye must do something, throw him down to the bottom of the well. He will be picked up by some caravan of travelers. They said, O our father, why dost thou not trust us with Joseph, seeing we are indeed his sincere well-wisher? Send him with us tomorrow to enjoy himself and play, and we shall take every care of him. Jacob said, really it saddens me that ye should take him away. I fear lest the wolf should devour him while ye attend not to him. They said, if the wolf were to devour him while we are so large a party, then should we indeed first have perished ourselves. Now next verse comes, that is from 15 to 22. فَلَمَّا ذَهَبُوا بِهِ وَأَجْمَعُوا أَنْ يَجْعَلَهُ فِي غَيَابَتِ الْجُبِّ وَأَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْهِ لَتُنَبِّئَنَّهُمْ بِأَمْرِهِمْ هَذَا وَهُمْ لَا يَشْعُرُونَ وَجَاءُوا أَبَاهُمْ عِشَاءً أَنْ يَبْكُونَ قَالُوا يَا أَبَانَا إِنَّا ذَهَبْنَا نَسْتَبِقُ وَتَرَكْنَا يُوسُفَ عِنْدَ مَتَاعِنَا فَأَكَلَهُ الذِّئْبُ وَمَا أَنْتَ بِمُؤْمِنٍ لَنَا وَلَوْ كُنَّا صَادِقِينَ وَجَاءُوا عَلَى قَمِيصِهِ بِدَمٍ كَذِبٍ قَالَ بَلْ سَوَّلَتْ لَكُمْ أَنفُسُكُمْ أَمْرًا فَصَبْرٌ جَمِيلٌ وَاللَّهُ الْمُسْتَعَانُ عَلَى مَا تَصِفُونَ وَجَاءَتْ سَيَّارَةٌ فَأَرْسَلُوا وَارِدَهُمْ فَأَدْلَىٰ دَلْوَهُ قَالَ يَا بُشْرَى هَذَا غُلَامٌ وَأَسَرَّهُ بِضَاعَةً وَاللَّهُ عَلِيمٌ بِمَا يَعْمَلُونَ وَشَرَاهُ بِثَمَنٍ بَخْسٍ دَرَاهِمَ مَعْدُودَةٍ وَكَانُوا فِيهِ مِنَ الزَّاهِدِينَ وَقَالَ الَّذِي اشْتَرَاهُ مِن مِصْرَ لِامْرَأَتِهِ أَكْرِمِي مَثْوَاهُ عَسَىٰ أَن يَنفَعَنَا أَوْ نَتَّخِذَهُ وَلَدًا وَكَذَلِكَ مَكَّنَّا لِيُوسُفَ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَلِنُعَلِّمَهُ مِن تَأْوِيلِ الْأَحَادِيثِ وَاللَّهُ غَالِبٌ عَلَى أَمْرِهِ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ وَلَمَّا بَلَغَ أَشُدَّهُ آتَيْنَاهُ حُكْمًا وَعِلْمًا وَكَذَلِكَ نَجْزِي الْمُحْسِنِينَ. So what does it mean in English? So they did take him away, and they all agreed to throw him down to the bottom of the well. And we put into his heart this message of a surety: thou shalt one day tell them the truth of this their affair, while they know thee not. Then they came to their father in the early part of the night weeping. They said, O our father, we went racing with one another and left Joseph with our things, and the wolf devoured him. But thou wilt never believe us, even though we tell the truth. They stained his shirt with false blood. He said, Nay, but your minds have made up a tale that may pass with you. For me, patience is most fitting. Against that which ye assert, it is Allah alone, whose help can be sought. Then there came a caravan of travelers. They sent their water carrier for water, and he let down his bucket into the well. He said, Ah, their good news, here is a fine young man. So they concealed him as a treasure, but Allah knoweth well all that they do. The brethren sold him for a miserable price, for a few dirhams, counted out in such low estimation did they hold him. The man in Egypt who bought him said to his wife, Make his stay among us honorable. Maybe he will bring us much good, or we shall adopt him as a son. Thus did we establish Joseph in the land, that we might teach him the interpretation of stories and events, and Allah hath full power and control over his affairs, but most among the mankind know it not. When Joseph attained his full manhood, we gave him power and knowledge. Thus do we reward those who do right. Now next verse comes, that is from 23 to 30. وَرَوَدَتْهُ الَّتِي هُوَ فِي بَيْتِهَا عَنْ نَفْسِهِ وَغَلَقَتِ الْأَبْوَابَ وَقَالَتْ هَيْتَ لَكَ قَالَ مَعَاذَ اللَّهِ إِنَّهُ رَبِّي أَحْسَنَ مَثْوَايَ إِنَّهُ لَا يُفْلِحُ الظَّالِمُونَ وَلَقَدْ هَمَّتْ بِهِ وَهَمَّ بِهَا لَوْلَا أَرَى بُرْهَانَ رَبِّهِ كَذَلِكَ لِنَصْرِفَ عَنْهُ السُّوءَ وَالْفَحْشَاءَ إِنَّهُ مِنْ عِبَادِنَا الْمُخْلَصِينَ وَاسْتَبَقَ الْبَابَ وَقَدَّتْ قَمِيصَهُ مِنْ دُبُرٍ وَأَلْفَ يَا سَيِّدَهَا لَدَى الْبَابِ قالت ما جزاء من أراد بأهلك سوءا إلا أن يسجن أو عذاب أليم قال هي راودتني عن نفسي وشهد شاهد من أهلها إن كان قميصه قد من قبل فصدقت وهو من الكاذبين وَإِنْ كَانَ قَمِيصُهُ قُدَّ مِنْ دُبُرٍ فَكَذَبَتْ وَهُوَ مِنَ الصَّادِقِينَ فَلَمَّا رَأَى قَمِيصَهُ قُدَّ مِنْ دُبُرٍ قَالَ إِنَّهُ مِنْ كَيْدِكُنَّ إِنَّ كَيْدَكُنَّ عَظِيمٌ يُوسُفُ أَعْرِضْ عَنْ هَذَا وَاسْتَغْفِرِي لِذَنبِكِ إِنَّكِ كُنتِ مِنَ الْخَاطِئِينَ وَقَالَ نِسْوَةٌ فِي الْمَدِينَةِ امْرَأَةُ الْعَزِيزِ تُرَاوِدُ فَتَاهَا عَنْ نَفْسِهِ قَدْ شَغَفَهَا حُبًّا إِنَّا لَنَرَاهَا فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ. So what does it mean in English? But she in whose house he was sought to seduce him from his true self, she fastened the doors and said, Now come thou, dear one. He said, Allah forbid, truly thy husband is my Lord. He made my sojourn agreeable, truly to no good come those who do wrong. And with passion did she desire him, and he would have desired her, but that he saw the evidence of his Lord. Thus did we order that we might turn away from him all evil and shameful deeds. For he was one of our servants, sincere and purified. So they both raised each other to the door, and she tore his shirt from the back. They both found her Lord near the door. She said, what is the fitting punishment for one who formed an evil design against thy wife, but prison or a grievous chastisement? He said, it was she that sought to seduce me from my true self, and one of her household saw this, and bore witness thus. If it be that his shirt is rent from the front, then is her tale true, and he is a liar. But if it be that his shirt is torn from back, then is she the liar, and he is telling the truth. So when he saw his shirt, O Joseph, pass this over. O wife, ask forgiveness for thy sin, for truly thou hast been at fault. Ladies said in the city, the wife of the great Aziz is seeking to seduce her slave from his true self. Truly hath he inspired her with violent love. We see she is evidently going astray. Now next verse comes, that is from 31 to 37.
أشهد أن لا
فَلَمَّا سَمِعَتْ بِمَكْرِهِنَّ أَرْسَلَتْ إِلَيْهِنَّ وَأَعْتَدَتْ لَهُنَّ مُتَّكَأً وَأَتَتْ كُلَّ وَاحِدَةٍ مِّنْهُنَّ سِكِينًا وَقَالَتْ اخْرُجْ عَلَيْهِنَّ فَلَمَّا رَأَيْنَهُ أَكْبَرْنَهُ وَقَطَعْنَ أَيْدِيَهُنَّ وَقُلْنَ حَاشَا لِلَّهِ مَا هَذَا بَشَرًا إِنْ هَذَا إِلَّا مَلَكٌ كَرِيمٌ قالت فذلكن الذي لمتنني فيه ولقد راودته عن نفسه فاستعصم ولئن يفعل ما أمره ليسجنن وليكون من الصاغرين قال ربي السجن أحب إلي مما يدعونني إليه وإلا تصرف عني كيدهن أصب إليهن وأكن من الجاهلين فاستجاب له ربه فصرف عنه كيدهن إنه هو السميع العليم ثم بدا لهم من بعد ما رأوا الآيات لا يسجننه حتى حين ودخل معه السجن فتيان قال أحدهما إني أراني أعصر خمرا وقال الآخر إني أراني أحمل فوق رأسي خبزا تأكل الطير منها نبئنا بتأويله إنا نراك من المحسنين قال لا يأتيكما طعام ترزقانه إلا نبأتكما بتأويله قبل أن يأتيكما ذلكما مما علمني ربي إني تركت ملة قوم لا يؤمنون بالله وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون. So what does it mean in English? When she heard of their malicious talk, she sent for them and prepared a banquet for them. She gave each of them a knife, and she said to Joseph, come out before them. When they saw him, they did extol him, and in their amazement cut their hands. They said, Allah preserve us no mortal is this. This is none other than a noble angel. She said, there before you is the man about whom ye did blame me. I did seek to seduce him from his true self, but he did firmly save himself guiltless. And now, if he doth not my bidding, he shall certainly be cast into prison, and what is more, be of the company of the vilest. He said, O my lord, the prison is more to my liking than that to which they invite me. Unless thou turn away their snare from me, I should in my youthful folly feel inclined towards them and join the ranks of the ignorant. So his lord hearkened to him in his prayer, and turned away from him their snare. Verily he heareth and knoweth all things. Then it occurred to the men, after they had seen the signs, that it was best to imprison him for a time. Now with him there came into the prison 2 young men. Said one of them, I see myself in a dream pressing wine. Said the other, I see myself in a dream carrying bread on my head, and birds are eating and birds are eating thereof. Tell us, they said, the truth and meaning thereof, for we see thou art one that doth good at all. He said, before any food comes, in due course in feed either of you, I will surely reveal to you the truth and meaning of this, ere it befall you. That is part of the duty which my Lord hath taught me. I have assured you abandoned the ways of a people that believe not in Allah, and that even deny the hereafter. Now next verse comes, that is from 38 to 43. وَاتَّبَعْتُ مِلَّةَ آبَائِي إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَإِسْحَاقَ وَيَعْقُوبَ مَا كَانَ لَنَا أَن نُشْرِكَ بِاللَّهِ مِنْ شَيْءٍ ذَلِكَ مِنْ فَضْلِ اللَّهِ عَلَيْنَا وَعَلَى النَّاسِ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَشْكُرُونَ. Ya sahiba yisijni arbabum mutafarikuna khairun amillahul wahidul kahhar. Ma ta'buduna min dunihi illa asma'an sammaytumuha antum wa abba'ukum ma anzalallahu biha min sultan inil hukmu illa lillah amara alla ta'budu illa iyaha zalika dinul qaimu walakina aktaran nasila ya'lamun. Ya sahiba yisijni, very difficult word. Ma ahadukuma fa yaski rabahu khamra wa ammal akharu fa yuslabu fatakulu tayru mirasaihi kudiyal amru lazi fihi tastaf tiyan wa qala lillazi zana anahu najim min humas kurni inda rabbika fa ansahu shaitanu zikra rabbihi falabitta fissijni bid asini wa kalal maliku inni ara sabah bakaraten semaniya kuluhunna sabun ijafun wa sabah sumbulaten khudrin wa ukhara yabisat. Ya ayyuhal mala'u aftawni fi ru'ya in kuntum lir ru'ya taburun. So what does it mean in English? And I follow the ways of my fathers, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and never could we attribute any partners whatever to Allah that comes of the grace of Allah to us and to mankind. Yet most men are not grateful. O my 2 companions of the prison, I ask you, are many lords differing among themselves, better or the one Allah supreme and the irresistible? If not him, ye worship nothing but names which ye have named, ye and your fathers, for which Allah hath sent down no authority. The command is for none but Allah. He hath commanded that ye worship none but him. That is the right religion. But most men understand not. O my two companions of the prison, as to one of you he will pour out the wine for his Lord to drink, and for the other he will hang from the cross, and the birds will add from his head. So hath been decreed that matter whereof ye twain do inquire, and of the two, to that one whom he considered about to be saved, he said, Mention me to thy Lord. But Satan made him forget to mention him to his Lord, and Joseph lingered in prison a few more years. The king of Egypt said, I do see in a vision 7 fat kine, whom 7 lean ones devour in, and 7 green ears of corn, and 7 others withered. O ye chiefs, expound to me my vision, if it be that ye can interpret visions. Now next verse comes, that is from 44 to 52. Then afterwards we are going to bind up. Kalau adgatu ahalam wama nehnu bita velil ahalami bi alimin wa kala lazina jamin huma wada karabada umatin ana unabbi ukum bita velihi fa arsilon Yusufu ayyuhasiddiku aftena fi sabbi bakaratin semanin yakuluhunna sabun ija funwa sabbi sumbulatin khudrin wa ukhara ya bisatil la ali arji'u ilan nasila alahum ya lamon Kala tazra'una sab'a sinina da aban fama hasatum fazarahu fi sumbulihi illa qalilan mimma takulun thumma yati min ba'di zalika sab'un shidadun yakulna ma qadamtum lahunna illa qalilan mimma tuhsinun ثم يأتي من بعد ذلك أمر فيه يغاث الناس وفيه يأسرون وقال الملك ائتوني به فلما جاءه الرسول قال ارجع إلى ربك فاسأله ما بال النسوة التي قطعن أيديهن Inna rabbi bi kaidihinna alim kalama khadbukunna isra watunna Yusufa an nafsihi kulna hasha lillahi ma alimna alayhi min saw Kala timra atul azizil ana hasal hakku anna rawatuhu an nafsihi wa innahu lamina sadiqin Zalika liya'lama ani lam akunhu bil ghaibi wa anna Allah la yahdi kaidal kha'inin. So what does it mean in English? They said, a confused medley of dreams, and we are not skilled in the interpretation of dreams. But the man who had been released, one of the two who had been in prison and who now bethought him after so long a space of time, said, I will tell you the truth of its interpretation, send ye me therefore. O Joseph, he said, O man of truth, expound to us the dream of 7 fat kine, whom 7 lean ones devour, and of 7 green ears of corn, and 7 others withered, that I may return to the people, and that they may understand. Joseph said, For 7 years shall ye diligently sow as is your wont, and the harvest that ye reap ye shall leave them in the air, except a little of which ye shall eat. Then will come after that period 7 dreadful years, which will devour what ye shall have laid by in advance for them, all except a little which ye shall have specially guarded. Come then will come after that period a year in which the people will have abundant water, and in which they will press wine and oil. So the king said, Bring ye him unto me. But when the messenger came to him, Joseph said, Go thou back to thy lord, and ask him, What is the state of mind of the ladies who cut their hands? For my lord is certainly well aware of their snare. The king said to the ladies, What was your affair when ye did seek to seduce Joseph from his true self? The ladies said, Allah preserve us, no evil, no we against him. Said the Aziz wife, Now is the truth manifest to all. It was I who sought to seduce him. From his true self he is indeed of those who are ever true and virtuous. This say I, in order that he may know that I have never been false to him in his absence, and that Allah will never guide the snare of the false ones. So, Hada kullu shay'in lihada liyomi. So that's all for the day. كانت هذه سنتيا سامسون قناة ميان العربية أخبارية أشترك في قناة نالي الأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والهندية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Till then, thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.